everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the new All That palette by Colourpop. Of course, this is another sort of burgundy palette, and y'all know that is up my alley, so I knew I wanted to get this and swatch it for you guys. This is probably like the closest thing to like a neutral palette that I will ever buy. But if you guys want to see swatches and my opinion on them, just keep watching. So now that you guys have seen swatches of this palette, let's talk about it. I have to hold on to this because my cat decided to join us for the video. So honestly, I'm really pleasantly surprised with how this swatched. You guys know I love Colourpop, and honestly, their formula is never bad in my opinion, but I wasn't sure how I would feel about this new formula they have. These two shades are their newer formula. It looks chunky, but it's not, and it ends up being a very smooth metallic. It is absolutely stunning. That like rosy bronzy shade is my favorite in this whole palette. It's honestly so stunning. This palette does have a glitter in it, which obviously a lot of people do not like glitters in palettes, so be warned that there is a pressed glitter in the palette. It is the shade Uncensored. The whole palette swatched amazing, like no lie. Like all the mattes were buttery and pigmented, and the shimmers were really nice. There was really only this shimmer, and then the rest were like metallics. This brown shade, the shade Come Through, apologies, is a matte that has like pink glitter in it. I think that applied to the eye, the glitter won't show up, but this matte black with like a lot of glitter in it, I think that you'd get mainly black glitter. But I think it's very, very beautiful. I did want to compare this palette to the other Colourpop rosy palette I have, which is the X's and O's palette. And I mean, as you guys can see, it's not really comparable, like, at all, in my opinion. Like, I'm sure that, no, like, none of these shades are really similar. Like, you can see different undertones and everything. So, it is pretty unique from not having any other palettes like it. Personally, I don't mind the glitter. I mean, I don't usually use glitter, but I like having the option, so I don't mind the glitter, but, you know, do your own research on that. These shades are beautiful. I love these fall tones. I'm not sure why this was their Valentine's collection. I see this as more fall vibes, but hey, I mean, I'm not complaining. I love this palette, and that is like my favorite shadow ever. That is the shadow Infatuation, which I guess I have an infatuation with this shade. Ha 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 ha, I'm so funny. But yes, overall, I do really like the swatches, and I'm excited to try this on my eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs it up, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, subscribe, go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi. You're in my way. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, that's next door. Hi. Hello. How's it, girl? Okay, I'm gonna close this so you don't get your phone in it. Hi. You finally got up. Yeah, I got mail.